Before you ever visit the deep or dark web, you need to protect something more valuable than your data: your identity. Let's start with a simple truth. Every move you make online leaves a trace. Your IP address, your browser fingerprint, even the way you type or move your mouse can be tracked. And on the deeper layers of the internet, that kind of exposure can be dangerous. So let's talk about how to fix it. Step 1. Use a secure operating system. For this course, we'll recommend Tails OS or Cubes OS. Tails runs entirely from a USB stick, leaving no trace on your computer. Cubes takes it further, compartmentalizing every app into isolated virtual machines. Both are designed for privacy-first users who want maximum control. Next, your internet connection. A regular browser won't cut it. Install the Tor browser, short for the Onion router. It bounces your traffic through multiple encrypted layers across the globe, hiding your IP and location. It's the primary way people access the dark web, but it's not bulletproof. You'll also want a high-quality VPN, one that doesn't log your activity. A VPN encrypts your data before it even enters the Tor network, adding another layer of protection. But here's the key. Don't use free VPNs. They often collect and sell your data. Now let's talk behavior, the human side of security. Don't log into personal accounts while browsing anonymously. Don't reuse usernames, passwords, or emails tied to your real identity. Create new aliases. Use burner email addresses. Separate your online personas. And always assume you're being watched, not out of fear, but out of awareness. Security isn't just about tools, it's about mindset. If you're careless, even the best tools can't save you. If you're careful, even basic tools can protect you. In the rest of this course, we'll show you exactly how to use these tools in real time. But it all starts here, with the decision to take your digital safety seriously. Because once you step into the deep or dark web, privacy isn't optional. It's essential. Let's keep going.